Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn on automatic date and time on your device. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you have to scroll down to general management. On the below you are going to find the general management, so you just keep scrolling to general management. Okay, here it is, so just click on it. After you have been click on it, you are going to find the date and time, so you have to click on date and time. Then here is the automatic date and time. If you want to turn on automatic date and time, it means the use of date and time provided by your network. Okay, just click on this icon and here is the automatic date and time, okay, that you have been set on. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.